Are you having problems that you are unable to register for a Discord account and you want to be able to fix this? Well then, this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix it. So it doesn't matter if you have an iPhone or if you have an Android, this should work for both versions. So the first thing we need to do is to go into settings, so just open up settings. And here on my iPhone, I'm just going to scroll down and click on general here, as you can see, and then I need to find where it says storage. For me it says iPhone storage, but if you have an Android, you're going to also find storage on your settings on your Android, just so you know. So I don't know exactly where it is, to be honest, but somewhere in settings for sure. So just find storage, then we're going to swipe up here, click on search. This is the easiest one, because you can just find Discord by searching for it, and then click on the Discord app. Now you're just going to click on Offload App, and once again click on Offload App down below here. Just wait a couple of seconds and then click on the Reinstall App button. Now you're just going to simply wait for it to completely update to its latest version. And now when it's done, or after a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes when it's done, you're going to go back and try once again. And hopefully this is going to fix it for you as well.